Africa my continent. Udaba ka-Anonymous. Buka-ke udaba lakwaDlamini lolu lapha eWaybank la kwavela khona umshopping indaba zey'khukhula ngo-2022 kwaku-April. Emva kwalokho kwafika u-Anonymous sabambana-ke nakho phela sibheka-ke manje sibheke indawo siyalena kwanyuso uya futhi kuzwa konani kodwa ubukanga wonke iqamagolo wayibukele nokuthi sekanjwe kangakanani kuphi la siya khona singathi yilokugcina Thobela Themba Mathunzi ayewukela. I thank you. Africa my continent, Africa my home, Africa the land of our ancestors. Lana sisemzinyathi. We are that umzinyathi. KZN KwaZulu Durban Metro. This is an area that we're talking about. This is a plot. That is a plot. That is a site. That green. Oh, that green, you go that side, you go that side, you go down. There. Means that you need a greater or a who. That is the area we're talking about. If you are satisfied, then we go for it. This is the area. Where is evergreen? Within that evergreen is the area we're talking about. Thank you. This is another site. Same vicinity, but another angle. You start from that tree, that's a different kind of tree. That one. Here in KwaZulu, we call it umhlonhlo. That one, that tree. You go from there all the way up. This side up, yeah, up, all the way that side. Yeah. This one, just it. Okay, we'll try up there and see if we can take another angle. Let's go up. Thank you. This is another piece. We are coming from the top now, looking down there. A lot of work to be done. A lot of work to be done. But it's safer. Yeah, I think it's safer. The ground, the soil. Yeah, let's check on the other side and see. This is another angle. If you go more top, you can see clearly. Yeah. But a lot of work to be done. But if we don't get another one, I think we can choose between these two. On the other side and this one. So we'll see if we get the third option. But for now, for me, I'll go for the first one. Not this one. This one, a lot of work to be done. Africa my continent, Africa my home. Ngicela ukwenza nansi disclaimer ukuthi esizokhuluma naye manje ubaba uMshazi obesondelene kakhulu nenkosi yaseMaqadini ubaba uNgcobo. uMshazi akasekho emhlabeni sengathi umoya wakhe ungalala ngokuthula kodwa ke elele enjalo imisebenzi yakhe iyaqhubeka awulalele inkulumo esayikhuluma naye Mshazi ulale ngokuthula la ukhona. I thank you. Africa my continent, Africa my home, Africa the land of our ancestors, Africa the land of my birth, Africa the land of the Lord, Africa KwaZulu eSouth Africa iNanda namaphethelo ngaphansi kwenkosi uNgcobo. Right, this is a land, this is a space, this is an area where we got a space for the gentleman Mr. Dlamini from a Waybank. We'll have this space. I think this is a suitable space. For me, I will go for this. This is a space. Quite nice, sweet. Mr. Nzoza, have a wait. Yes. This is a man who give us, on behalf of Inkosi,
yes.
Who's
actually, I'm the project coordinator for
yes.
for Amaqadi Development Project.
Yes.
Inkosi assigned me through Mr. Msweli to come and assist in securing land for Mr. Dlamini.
Yes.
And here it is. So Mr. Msweli will come come and do the processes so that it can be allocated completely to the Mr. Dlamini. So we can confirm that the land is available.
Thank you so much. Siyabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga baba uNzuzu. Mshazi. Nansi induna. Siyabonga nduna. Induna yona ke sobe samba naso. So we all the way with induna, he will be putting this pick. The pegs from here to there, from there to there. But here's the one.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So Mr.
Africa, my continent, Africa, my home, Africa, my land of our ancestors. This is country. Africa, South Africa, KwaZulu, eThekwini Metro. Sunday is a 15. We are here in this area where we have located the area to build the house of Mr. Dlamini, who is a victim of 2022 floods that took place in Durban and surrounding areas. Today is a D-Day. Today is a D-Day. This is 5,000 rand. We call it mega fee. Induna is there. Mr. Dlamini is here. The house planner, Umdwebi is here. The builder is here. Everyone is here. The family of Dlamini is here. And Induna is on the other side. Come, see. These are the mega fees ingredients. These are the mega fees ingredients. These are the mega fees ingredients. This. Thank you. And now we'll go for part 3 down the line where the square meters will be counted. Oh, how? The ingredients of mega fees are not yet all here. I forget. You can't beg a fee without this. This is the beggar fee. This is the beggar fee. This is a meat. Okay. This is your. Thank you. This is how we do it. I think let's keep the ball rolling. We'll see you down there on the square meter counting. Thank you. Ngokwenduna yayithi inkulungwana zibe 5, 5,000 rand. Konke la kuhlanganisa inkosi, induna, nozobebala amaqadi konke kuhlangenela. Ukhuluma yimi kanjalo. Sibaleke u2 4 6 8 10. 1,000 2 4 6 8 10. 1,000 2 4 6 8 10. 2 4 6 8 10. 2 4 6 8 10. Cabanga iphelele kanje. 1,000 awu5.
Ngane yakwethu isifundiswa. Abantu seyibala.
Yes.
Ngathi mazi incane uyashesha impela mfowethu. Siyabonga mhlaba.
Zinkulu kakhulu ubona ngishesha kanje. Mazi 5 yona enkulu kakhulu. Africa, my continent. This is a beggar fee. Enduneni. Maphumu. Thank you. Sam. Siyabala manje. Okay. He is counting the space now. The plot. How far? He's counting. Following him all the way. Okay. Yeah, this is the space.
45.
Yeah. This is the space. Yes. 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 A small kakan. Lon kakan ukuthi lo. Okay.
Hamba ngalo angathi senzenjani ke lazi kodwa asifake lutho
Faka nepiki na.
Sizobuyisa izitshalo noma yini noma impondondo lapha sobona yini soyilanda lezi hlathana zethu ezizikhonkwane.